welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena Mosaner. This short session is designed to help you activate your body's inner intelligence to align your natural GLP-1 response to restore balance in appetite and nourishment, and to quiet the noise around food. Find a comfortable position now. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Again, breathe in slowly, letting your chest and abdomen expand. And exhale fully, releasing all tension. Feel the air moving in and out like a gentle ocean wave. Steady, calm, continuous. With each breath, you become more relaxed, more centered, more present in your body. Now imagine yourself standing in a long, softly lit hallway. The air feels still and quiet. Along each side are many doors, each one marked with words like focus, calm, clarity, digestion. You walk slowly down this hallway, deeply relaxed, curious, and open. And then you see one door that reads Control Room, GLP-1 Regulation. You reach for the handle and open it. Step inside. The light here is soft, golden, luminous. There is nothing here but a special technology out of this world. In the center of the room, you sense a gentle infusion of empowerment. It may appear as a column of light, a tube, or a field of luminous energy. Whatever your imagination creates, it is not a substance, but a frequency, a very specific vibration you have felt before, now focused on a single purpose. This frequency clears and harmonizes all data and emotion around food, appetite, and nourishment. It carries determination, balance, and self-trust. You have felt it before around other life events and decision-making. When you knew something with certainty, acted on it, and changed the trajectory of your life with one simple decision. This time, it is concentrated. That energy of unimaginable determination. Allow it to come toward you now as a thin, precise line of golden light right from that column, entering gently through the area you choose, perhaps the upper arm, the abdomen, or thigh. It is safe. You receive it effortlessly. The frequency flows through you, through your nerves, your blood, your awareness, communicating with your body in its own language, not through words, but through knowing every cell receives the message. You are determined. You are in control, not the food. You are awake and aware, and remember to eat healthily, properly, and mindfully. You shed extra weight naturally. This light moves through your system, calming the patterns that once created confusion. It feels like an internal upgrade, not something new, but something remembered. Your system now recognizes balance. You eat smaller portions. You eat very slowly. You stay away from unhealthy foods or high-calorie items. You gently push food away when you feel full and satiated. You eat slowly, mindfully, with presence. Each bite is tasted fully. Eating becomes a small ritual of awareness. When your body says, enough, you stop easily, knowing you will eat again later, calmly, enjoyably, consciously. There is no urgency, no pull, no noise. After eating, your attention returns naturally to life, to people, work, movement, creativity. Between meals, food fades from your thoughts. Whether you cook, order, or dine with friends, your mind remains clear and peaceful. Your body feels satisfied. Your mind feels free. Now, in this luminous room, you simply rest. Let the frequency settle. Let your system absorb it. Let your inner intelligence do what it knows how to do. Now, repeat these suggestions right after me. My body feels naturally balanced and satisfied. My appetite is calm and steady. I recognize fullness and stop with ease. Food feels neutral between meal times. The mental noise around food has quieted. I enjoy food fully when I eat, just the right amount. When I am done, I feel complete and content. Between meals, food fades from my awareness. I stay away from high-calorie foods. I am satiated with less food. I enjoy food when I eat and forget about it between meals. I manage hunger mindfully and eat only at meal times. I am in control. Food no longer controls me. I am awake and aware of how and what I eat. I shed extra weight and feel healthy. Let these ideas integrate naturally in your mind and body, now taking root, becoming reality. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5. With each number, you return to full awareness, steady, confident, renewed. 1, your breath deepens. 2, gentle energy returns to your body. 3, your fingers and toes move slightly. 4, your awareness expands into the room. 5, eyes open, present, clear, and completely in control. Thank you for listening to HypnoCloud. This was Activate Inner Balance, GLP, 1 frequency for natural appetite control. Listen to it a few more times to reinforce these pathways. For more hypnotherapy sessions, download the app at hypnocloud.com.